Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you the best haircut transformation like short bob. So you can watch before and after haircut transformation technique. So this short haircut is going amazingly, incredibly. I'm just using like this one techniques because I love this technique so much more than, and I am applying all the hairs on this technique. So hope you like it about all videos, and please share the video to everyone, to your friends, to your family, and everyone too. So this video is very important, so please comment what you like in this channel. I will upload like this one. So guys, how's this result? Is going amazingly and I love it. And what about you? You tell me by the comment how's this, and please subscribe the channel. I will create another fantastic victorious video just for you, my family. Thank you very much. Enjoy our all video and share the video. It's very important. Thank you very much.